Question number 4. In the given figure, find the measure of unknown angles. So only we know about that this 110 degrees constant and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which we have to find. So the concept is simple. You can solve this question and you can find the values of this unknown angles by using simple concepts. So the first one is what? 110 degree will be equals to angle F. The reason is vertically opposite angle. Clear? Now this 110 degree and this angle E, these two are adjacent angle. Why? Because they are making a straight angle. So as you know, they are making a linear pair. So 110 degree plus angle E will be equals to 180 degree. Transpose this 110 degree to the right hand side. So angle E will be equals to 180 minus 110. So angle E equals to 70 degree. So this is 70 degree. Now angle E will be equals to angle G, because angle E and angle G will be equal. The reason is vertically opposite angle. And if angle E is 70 degree, that means angle G is also 70 degree. So we got that angle G is 70 degree and this angle F is 110 degree. Clear? Now it's not compulsory that you have to use properties of alternate angles or corresponding angles. You can also solve by vertical opposite angle and co-interior angle. Clear? Now this 110 degree and this angle C, these two are co-interior angles, and as you know, co-interior angles are having sum of 180 degree. So you can write that angle C plus 110 degree equals to 180. So angle C will be equals to 180 minus 110. So finally angle C equals to 70 degree. So this you can write 70 degree. Now this angle C and this angle E, as you can see, this is 70 degree and this is also 70 degree, because they are alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. Clear? So this is 110 degree. So D is also 110 degree. So you can write that angle D equals to 110 degree. The reason is alternate interior angle. Clear? Now if angle C is 70 degree, so angle B is also 70 degree. The reason is vertically opposite angle. And if angle D is 110, so that means angle A is also 110, because angle A equals to angle D. And if angle D is 110 degree, so angle A is also 110 degree. So like this you have to find angles. This is very easy. You can solve. Question number 5. Which pair of dotted line segments in the following figures are parallel? So one condition you have to remember, that if lines are parallel, that means they will have 180 degree angles, co-interior angles simply. How? Just see. So we are having this line here, and we have to find that this dotted lines are parallel or not. So this angle is 120 degree and this angle is 50 degree. So in this figure, if these two dotted lines are parallel, so they should have sum of 180 degree between them. So we are having here 120 and 50. So if we will add 120 and 50, we will get 170, which is not equals to 180. That means these two lines are not parallel. Clear? Then question number 2. So for this question number 2, we are having 135 degree and this angle is 45 degree. Now if this angle we are having 45 degree, so that means this angle is also 45 degree because vertical opposite angle. Now these two are co-interior, 135 and 45. If we are adding, we are getting 180 degree equals to 180. So yes, these two lines are parallel. So in this question we have to find that which lines are parallel to each other and which are not. So first is line L1 and L2. As you can see, you are having 70 degree and 100 degree. These are co-interior angles. If you are adding 70 and 100, you will get 170 degree, which is not equals to 180. So that means lines L1 and L2 are not parallel. First. Then second is, if this is 100 degree, that means this angle is 80 degree. Clear? And if we are extending this line further, so this angle is 100 degree, so this will be this angle is 80 degree, so this will be 100 degree because they are making a linear pair, a straight angle. Now as you can see, this line is L4 and 80 degree and 100 degree is there. If we are adding 80 and 100, we are getting 180 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. That means line L2 and L4 are parallel. Then line L3 and L5 we are having. So line L3 and L5, they are not parallel. Why? Because this is 70 degree and this will be what? 110 degree, because they are making a straight angle 180 degree. So this 110 degree and 80 degree will give you 190 degree, which is more than 180 degree. So for this line L3 and L5 are not parallel. So only in this question lines L2 and L4 are parallel. This is question number 6, and as you can see, this angle is 50 degree and this angle is 40 degree. These two are alternate angles, and as you can see, 50 degree and 40 degree both are not equal. If alternate angles are not equal, that means the lines are not parallel. So these two dotted lines are not parallel to each other. Now question number 6, 1, 2, 3. You can solve. I will explain from 4th.